OPOA is one of the only organizations who is going to be able to work the law from beginning to end. When we go to work every day, we're representing and protecting people's dreams and hopes for themselves and for their future generations. It is extremely difficult for Oregon property owners to use their land, and that often comes as a surprise to most people. They think, I'm buying my first home, this is where I'm gonna build my business, this is maybe where I'm gonna retire. And then they go to do things and their dreams turn to nightmares really quickly when they realize just how complicated the process is for them to do anything that they want to do.
I reached out to OPOA about 3 years ago because I had this brilliant idea that I wanted to run a wedding venue site on our farm acreage here. The county passed the ordinance. It was challenged to LUBA. LUBA came back with a very favorable decision, and it was challenged again. And that's when OPOA stepped in and helped. Dave set us up to have a really productive conversation in Marion County.
I used to be the executive director of the Oregon Cattlemen's Association. We still have property over in Markham, and it's 138 acres. We found out how difficult it was to get permission to put up a dwelling. I called Dave after 2 attorneys and a land use consultant. Dave's like, yeah, this should be a no-brainer. A farmer with 138 acres and you're not allowed to put up a dwelling. They were unwavering and relentless in their support.
I mean, as a farmer, you're not used to navigating that stuff and you think you're doing everything right. And come to find out you are. You just have to say magic words, and OPOA was helping us with the magic words.
And so far, OPOA has been the only entity that's actually offered a hand, offered to understand who we are as farmers and a business, and then actually helped us after that. And so as a nonprofit, it needs to be fully funded.
You will never receive a bill from us. We are funded entirely by charitable contributions from Oregonians who believe in what we do and believe that every property owner deserves a skilled advocate in their corner.
With just Sam and I, it's hard. We could easily take on 3 or 4 additional lawyers and advocates to do all the work that we need to do. And if we could do that, we'd greatly expand our role in Oregon, and there's so many more Oregonians that need our help.
They're representing us, and they need the resources to stay in the arena.
Anybody owning land in this state right now that wants to farm and make a living from it could benefit from their services.